In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently redirect an entire website in WordPress. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So why would you want to move from one URL to another URL anyway? Well, there could be all kinds of reasons for this. A business changes its focus slightly, a vlog changes its branding. A prime example can be found on our allinoneseo.com website in the trends section. We have a case study on a Chicagoland shopping mall. They changed their URL from shophawthornemall.com to visithawthorne.com. The focus of the website wasn't just e-commerce and shopping. It was information about the mall as a destination. Additionally, they wanted to get rid of the word mall. They thought that was a little bit dated and just wanted to call it Visit Hawthorne. So they had valid business reasons to change their URL. But even if you have a valid business reason, it can be a daunting task to change URLs. It can be very intimidating. Let's face it, a little bit scary. Luckily, All-in-One SEO can help you with this task with our powerful redirection manager and its full site redirect feature. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at aioseo.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. Then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So for the WordPress dashboard, let's head on over to the All-in-One SEO menu on the left and click on the link that says Redirects. So this step we are going to be performing on our old website. So to migrate to a new URL, first you set up your URL, then you would back up this website, your old website, using something like Duplicator, a plugin that will back up an entire WordPress website. Then you would install WordPress on your new URL and then restore that backup. After that step, now you have this most crucial step of putting in these 301 redirects so that all of your hard-earned rankings in Google carry over from one website to the other website. So you can see there's a couple of tabs up top, and there's a redirect section of All-in-One SEO. There's redirects, full site redirect, logs, 404 logs, import, export, and settings. We've got another video on this channel that goes into all of the features in All-in-One SEO's Redirection Manager. You should see a link popping up to that video right about now. For the purposes of this video, we're going to click on the tab that says Full Site Redirect. We're going to click this toggle switch here next to Relocate Site, and it's going to auto-populate with the website address of this site. Mine is aioseo-demo.local because this is a local site. And then over here, you simply type in your new domain. So I've got aioseo2.com. All you would do next is click Save Changes. I'm not going to save changes because I don't want to relocate my entire site. But all you do next is click the Save Changes button, and our plugin will go through your website and put in 301 redirects, which are permanent redirects for all of that content on your site and redirect it to the new URL. So that's how to permanently redirect an entire website. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to edit a robots.txt file. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.